I would like to thank Kevin Thomas for allowing me the opportunity to provide some narrative for his outstanding listing at 2540 East Phinney Bay Place in Bremerton, Washington, 98312 that oversees the bay with an abundance of western-facing natural light from the sunsets. Let's jump in while the photos scroll through. A kitchen designed for modern living. The heart of this home is a completely reimagined kitchen, designed with both the home chef and entertainer in mind. You'll find brand new kitchen wiring, the latest code, arc fault, and 5 GFCI outlets across 5 separate circuits, providing safety and convenience for all your appliances. Thoughtful new lighting illuminates every corner of the kitchen workspace, from prep to cleanup. Centered in the space is a sleek gray island topped with a durable quartz countertop, creating the perfect gathering spot for casual meals or morning coffee. The island and surrounding newly painted white cabinets feature additional quartz counters that provide both beauty and function, pairing seamlessly with the white subway tile backsplash for a timeless look. A new single basin sink adds modern flair while offering extra room for larger cookware, and to keep you connected and charged, the kitchen is outfitted with 4 USB-C and USB-A plugins, ideal for smart devices, recipe tablets, or powering a work-from-home station. Countless other upgrades. What's listed here is just a glimpse into the extensive list of updates that make this home a rare gem. Virtually every corner of the property has been touched by thoughtful renovation, ensuring a low-maintenance lifestyle and turnkey readiness for its new owners. From the foundational elements like electrical systems and structural enhancements to the design-focused finishes that add warmth and sophistication, this is a home that's been lovingly and smartly upgraded for modern living. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a growing household, or someone seeking a home that combines charm with peace of mind, this property delivers on all fronts. Flooring that blends beauty with durability. Underfoot, you'll discover stunning new luxury vinyl plank, LVP, waterproof flooring that extends across key living areas including the full finished basement, entry, laundry, office, dining, kitchen, great room, mudroom, and bathroom. The floors aren't just beautiful, they're practical, resilient, and expertly leveled for a smooth transition from room to room. Finishing off this cohesive and polished look are new 5-inch white floor moldings, adding an elegant frame to the new flooring and tying the space together with a clean, fresh aesthetic. Outdoor living elevated. Step outside onto the spacious deck over the garage, a versatile space for outdoor entertaining or relaxing at sunset. Built for durability and easy maintenance, the composite decking is laid in 4-foot sections, allowing for easy removal in the event of future roof repairs. The new railings have been freshly painted, contributing to the safe, stylish, and functional outdoor environment. A garage that works as hard as you do. The upgrades don't stop at the living spaces. The garage has undergone a major transformation, making it as robust as it is versatile. A new center beam offers added structural support, while the back quarter of the garage features new walls, ideal for a workshop area or clean storage. The torch-down 30-year roof ensures long-lasting protection, and new electrical outlets and lighting have been installed to support projects and functionality. To top it all off, the garage includes 2 brand new garage door openers professionally installed by Kitsap Garage Door, ensuring reliable access and peace of mind for years to come. Just in case the video or embedded links do not work, please see the links in the content box, where you can copy and paste to see the before, during the renovation and after photos. Visit www.kevinthomasrealtor.com.